Hello everyone! Welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install FL Studio 26 2026 on your Windows PC directly from the official ImageLine website. First of all, open your favorite web browser and search for FL Studio 26 Download for PC. After the search results appear, click on the official ImageLine website. Always make sure you download FL Studio from the official website to ensure you receive the latest version, new features, bug fixes, and security updates. Once the website opens, click on the Download FL Studio for Windows button. The download will begin automatically. The installation file is approximately 1.03 gigabytes, so depending on your internet speed, the download may take a few minutes. Please wait until the download is fully completed before opening the installer. After the download finishes, locate the downloaded file in your Downloads folder and double-click it to launch the installer. If Windows displays a security prompt, click Yes to allow the installer to make changes to your computer. The installation process is very simple. Just follow the on-screen instructions exactly as shown in this video. You can keep the default installation settings unless you have a specific reason to change them. Click Next, accept the license agreement, choose your installation location if needed, and continue until the installation begins. Depending on your computer's performance, the installation may take a few minutes. During this time, allow the installer to complete all required components without closing the setup window. Once the installation is finished, click Finish and launch FL Studio from your desktop or Start menu. When FL Studio opens for the first time, you can sign in with your ImageLine account to unlock your purchased edition or continue using the trial version if you don't have a license yet. The trial version lets you explore almost all of FL Studio's features before deciding to purchase a license. As you can see, FL Studio has been installed successfully and is now ready to use. You can start creating music, recording audio, producing beats, mixing tracks, and exploring the powerful tools included in the latest version. That's all for this tutorial. I hope this video helped you download and install FL Studio 26 successfully.